Okay, question 2 of our Cwestiynau Campus set for the summer term asks, pa lyfr wyt ti'n darllen? I'm sure you recognise the word lyfr here, or llyfr, which means book. So pa lyfr wyt ti'n darllen is asking, what book are you reading? Now, for 1 point, you can simply just give the title of the book. For example, Harry Potter or Diary of a Wimpy Kid. But for 2 points, you need to use the correct sentence pattern. So you would say, dwi'n darllen Harry Potter, or dwi'n darllen Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And for 3 points, you must extend it by giving your reasons why you like this book, or why you're reading this book. So, for example, dwi'n darllen Harry Potter achos mae'n bendigedig. You can say achos mae'n diddorol, because it's interesting. Or you can say achos mae'n anturus, which means adventurous. And you can also use various other adjectives as well. But these are just some examples for you to use yourselves. Okay, pob lwc.